I don't know what happened to my kitchen. It exploded. Welcome back to my quarantine kitchen. This is the last playlist. Claire at Cookie Crumb Fun and a whole bunch of other great friends, we have all pulled together and created these playlists over the last few weeks. So I encourage you, check out the playlist, watch all of these videos, enjoy. But this is what I want you to do first, okay? Listen very carefully, so important. We are having the grand finale live giveaway next Monday at 8 p.m. Central. I want you to be there. I want you to be there. It'll be awesome, okay? We have hundreds of dollars of things that we are giving away, from gift cards to goodies, and I can't even tell you what's all in there, but it's gonna be good. And a whole bunch of your favorite Trim Healthy Mama bloggers have pulled together to donate these things just to bless you. And so what I want you to do is go to the link below, click on that, set the reminder so you don't forget, okay? And yeah, join us. It's a lot of fun. But for right now, we're gonna clean the kitchen and maybe, I think, the fridge again. That's how I started this whole thing, is cleaning out my refrigerator. We're back at it. We're cleaning the fridge. First, I am going to kill all of the flies in this kitchen because they are driving me crazy. Anybody else like this? Like flies just like make you insane? They're everywhere. I hear them. Where are they? I will find them. I have a certain set of skills. I was tagged on Instagram to do a little fridge challenge, and my husband, he was having surgery, so we were out of town for a few days, and I didn't get to do it, but I'm gonna do it now, okay? I want to tell you that my refrigerator's always clean, but here's the thing. I like everything, like the labels all turned in the same direction, and I like everything to be just so in my refrigerator. But the fact is that I live with other people. Yeah, I'm gonna let all the cold air out just while I say this, okay? The fact is that I live with other people, and my kids are extremely helpful in the kitchen. So my kids they're in the kitchen, they meal plan with me, they meal plan on their own. They do the grocery shopping online, love Instacart, and they do the Walmart grocery pickup. They do all of these things, and then they put it all away, and then they cook, okay? So, and they're doing great. But I'm a lot older, and I've been doing it for a longer time, so I'm probably a little more fastidious than they are. So this is what our refrigerator looks like right now. I'm not upset about it, because I am just so proud of the work that they have done. I am going to clean this, okay? That's all right. I'm going to clean this out. It'll help them. It'll help me. It'll help all of us. And a lot of things we're going to pull out of the fridge and we're going to eat today for lunch, because it's Saturday and lunch is leftovers. That way we're sort of cleaning everything out and figuring out what we need to use for the week. So, let's just go ahead and do it, okay? Yeah? Everybody good? Mm-hmm. Okay. My daughter just pointed out to me, I really feel like you need to be on the camera if you're going to call me out on things. That's all I'm saying, okay? She said that I said that my eye twitches every time I open the refrigerator door.
Oh, I see your eye twitch every time.
She sees my eyes twitch every time I open the refrigerator door, which is accurate. It's pretty bad, okay? I don't like my fridge to look like this. I like it to be neat and tidy and perfect. But the fact is, life with a family isn't neat and tidy and perfect. And in order for me to have a neat, tidy, perfect refrigerator or house or anything, means that I would not have a family that's getting involved and helping and living. So I take the trade-off. I don't always take it well, okay? And sometimes I have to repress some feelings, and my eye twitches a little bit, but still, okay? I just want to say that. Are we good?
Yes, we're good.
Okay, we're good. we cleaned out the refrigerator, and this is sort of what we came up with just for snacks and things that we wanted to have pre-prepped, ready for the week, so we weren't wasting anything, and so we sort of had a head start for next week, which also helps us like sort of take inventory for next week's menu, which Aurora is doing. So it's Liberty's week this week, and now it's Aurora's, and this is just a nice way to switch over and then get ready for the next week. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we did. Ready? Okay, so we had a watermelon, and I cut up tons of watermelon. 'Tis the season. So we have watermelon. Also, I had papaya that was in the fridge that was looking a little rough. So the papaya. We had some lettuce, and we normally, I think we're having burgers soon, and so I wanted to have some lettuce ready for burgers and for sandwiches. So boiled eggs, we're going to put those in the fridge, and the kids just have those for a snack. So for serving size sake, I put some watermelon in these because I'll still eat watermelon, but I do want to make sure that I'm having it in a reasonable amount. And you can't really tell, but there's like a lot of space in this jar. So this is a full serving for me. Then we made some glucki pudding. I made it the wrong way, actually, because I was talking to my kids and I just threw everything in. And normally my kids are the ones who make this. So it might not be perfect, but I really like glucki pudding. Did you see that? Yeah, so these are just a few snacks that we got ready. We cleaned out the fridge, and I'm going to give you a peek at the fridge really quickly. And then you know. So the rest of the fruits and veggies were already all ready in there. Yeah, let's put them in. I'll show you. Ta-da! All right, final product. It is what it is. We didn't go crazy this week. We did clean out some stuff that was pretty grody in here, but we have our snacks ready, some like just already pre-prepped veggies, some hummus and vegetables, some bread, watermelon, glucki pudding, and then like some boiled eggs, some garlic, and just things that are already all prepped, ready for us to eat for the week. So that's it.